Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy stock? In this video, we are delving into MicroStrategy. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Utilize the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a noteworthy gain of 12.20% since we first categorized MicroStrategy as a buy candidate just 11 days ago. This amount equates to an average return of 1.11% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned near the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $456.64 would initially signify a stronger rate of ascent. Analyzing the present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 10.7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 11.23% and 12%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 71.19%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 18.17% to 145.82% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this places the future price somewhere between $533.35 and $1,109.48. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy highlights that MicroStrategy Incorporated stock has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate following Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, the MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 1%, dropping from $455.90 to $451.34. During the trading session, the stock price fluctuated by 2.11%, reaching a low of $446.58 and a high of $456. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 12.2% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which typically indicates a positive trend, as volume should align with stock performance. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.9 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the stock price is 16.88%, or $91.66, below the 52-week high of $543, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Shares of MicroStrategy Inc., symbol MSTR, have experienced a notable decline today, even as the broader cryptocurrency market enjoys an upward surge. This drop follows the exciting announcement of 3 significant cryptocurrency bills making progress in Congress. Interestingly, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin treasury has surpassed an impressive $70 billion, which has prompted an increase in price targets for the stock. However, this positive sentiment has not translated into market performance, as shares fell on the same day. Another key development involves the halt of the STKD 100% MSTR and 100% coin exchange-traded fund, raising concerns about the accuracy of its published net asset values. Markets often respond negatively to inconsistencies like this, which can contribute to volatility and investor unease in the short term. Additionally, the upcoming second quarter earnings report on July 31st could serve as a critical moment for MSTR. Investors will likely scrutinize these results to gauge the company's performance against the backdrop of the cryptocurrency market's fluctuations. In the long term, MicroStrategy's extensive Bitcoin holdings position it uniquely, yet reliance on cryptocurrency volatility could pose risks. Analysts remain divided. While some see potential, others, including renowned short seller Jim Chanos, highlight concerns regarding the stock's premium in relation to Bitcoin. Overall, MSTR's short-term outlook appears clouded by recent declines, while its long-term viability may hinge on broader market conditions and corporate performance in the coming weeks. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned MSTR a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity also gave MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On the same date, it was noted that Cantor Fitzgerald rated MSTR with a hold rating and a hold action. Additionally, on that day, Barclays provided MSTR with a hold rating alongside a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS awarded MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also issue a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If corrections occur, support is expected at levels of $438.90 and $393.33. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16, 2025. And so far, the price has decreased by 1%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $414.38 and $369.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point may lead the stock to decline to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $414.38. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $369.51 and $343.03. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, characterized by high volatility and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.42 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.11%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.08%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroStrategy, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and possible bankruptcy risks. In other developments, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is projected to be released on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are forecasting a loss of 3 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy is at $455.90. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy encounters its first support level at $414.38. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Xiao Wei-ming, who bought and sold 22,402 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 33.794. In total, insiders acquired 135,309 shares and divested 273,063 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $433.20, indicating a decline of 4.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is MicroStrategy stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation, moving it from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 18th of July, we expect MicroStrategy to open lower by approximately 3 cents, starting trading at $451.31. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.